Imagine a world without wheels. Can you picture it? A world where the simple act of moving from one place to another becomes a monumental task. It's a world where moving heavy objects is a real struggle. Every task that involves transportation becomes a test of endurance and strength. People drag things along the ground, often using makeshift sleds or dragging items by hand. They use logs as rollers, a technique that, while ingenious, is still incredibly labor-intensive and slow. It's slow and tiring work, leaving people exhausted and limiting how much they can accomplish in a day. This is how life was for our ancestors thousands of years ago. Every day was a battle against the elements and the limitations of their tools. The wheel, something we take for granted, didn't exist yet. Its absence shaped every aspect of their lives. It's hard to imagine how different life was. The contrast between then and now is stark. Before the wheel, transporting goods was a major challenge. Markets were limited to what people could physically carry. People had to rely on their own strength, often using ropes and sheer muscle power to move large objects. They could only carry small loads, which meant that trade and commerce were severely restricted. Journeys were long and difficult, often taking days or even weeks to cover distances we now travel in hours. Trade was limited to what people could carry on their backs or on the backs of animals. This greatly restricted the flow of goods and ideas. This made it hard for communities to share resources and ideas, leading to isolated pockets of human civilization. The absence of wheels also limited construction. Building anything substantial required immense effort and coordination. Large structures like pyramids and temples were incredibly difficult to build. Every stone had to be moved by hand. A process that was both time-consuming and physically demanding. This required enormous manpower and time, often involving entire communities working together for years. Without wheels, the pace of human development was slow. Progress was measured in small, incremental steps. Life was undeniably more challenging. Every aspect of daily existence required more effort and ingenuity. Life before the wheel was undoubtedly a testament to human resilience. Our ancestors faced these challenges head-on. Our ancestors were innovative and resourceful. They developed tools and methods to make their lives a bit easier. They found ways to survive and even thrive in a world without this seemingly simple invention. Their creativity knew no bounds, yet the arrival of the wheel would change everything. It was a revolutionary invention that transformed human society. It would usher in a new era of progress and possibility, paving the way for advancements that we continue to build upon today. The wheel, a seemingly simple invention, emerged as a beacon of progress, symbolizing human ingenuity and the quest for advancement. Its origins can be traced back to ancient Mesopotamia, around 3500 BC, a time when human civilization was just beginning to flourish. This region, known as the cradle of civilization, witnessed the birth of this revolutionary technology, which would go on to change the course of history. While the exact inventor remains unknown, the impact of the wheel is undeniable, influencing countless aspects of daily life and industry. Interestingly, the earliest wheels were not used for transportation as one might expect. Instead, they were employed in pottery, a craft that was essential for storing food and water. The potter's wheel, a simple turntable, allowed artisans to create more symmetrical and refined pottery, enhancing both the aesthetic and functional qualities of their work. This innovation revolutionized pottery making, enabling the production of more complex and uniform shapes. It also hinted at the potential of the wheel for other applications, sparking curiosity and further experimentation. Early wheels were rudimentary, often crafted from solid wooden discs, which were sturdy but not very efficient. These discs were heavy and difficult to maneuver, presenting a significant challenge for early inventors. The challenge lay in creating a functional axle and wheel combination, a task that required considerable ingenuity and persistence. This required ingenuity and experimentation, as early humans sought to improve the efficiency and utility of their designs. Over time, early humans refined their designs, gradually developing more sophisticated and effective wheels. Despite their simplicity, these early wheels marked a turning point in human history, demonstrating the power of harnessing circular motion. They demonstrated the power of harnessing circular motion, a principle that would become fundamental to countless future innovations. The wheel's potential was enormous, waiting to be unlocked by the inventive minds of the time. It was only a matter of time before its application extended beyond pottery, paving the way for new forms of transportation and machinery. The world was on the cusp of a transportation revolution, one that would forever alter the landscape of human civilization. The leap from the potter's wheel to wheeled vehicles was a significant one. It required a shift in thinking and further technological development. Around 2000 BC, this innovation emerged, forever changing the way humans interacted with their world. The first wheeled vehicles were likely simple carts. These carts, initially used for agriculture and hauling goods, provided a significant advantage over previous methods. They allowed for larger loads to be transported with less effort. This revolutionized trade and agriculture. The invention of the spoked wheel, around 2000 BC, marked a pivotal advancement. Spoked wheels were lighter and stronger than their solid counterparts. This allowed for faster and more efficient travel. The chariot, a light horse-drawn vehicle, emerged as a symbol of this new era. It transformed warfare and transportation. These early wheeled vehicles may seem primitive by today's standards. However, they represented a monumental leap forward. They paved the way for the development of more sophisticated vehicles and infrastructure. The world was becoming increasingly connected, all thanks to the humble wheel. Section 4. The wheel's influence spreads. The impact of the wheel extended far beyond its place of origin. As trade routes expanded and civilizations interacted, the use of the wheel spread across the ancient world. From Mesopotamia, it traveled to Egypt, India, and China, with each civilization adapting the technology to suit their needs and resources. In Egypt, the wheel played a crucial role in the construction of the pyramids. Massive stones, quarried miles away, were transported using wooden rollers and sledges. While not strictly wheels, these tools employed the same principles of circular motion. The wheel's influence was undeniable. The Roman Empire, renowned for its advanced infrastructure, further demonstrated the power of the wheel. Roman roads, designed for efficient travel, facilitated trade and communication across the vast empire. Chariots, carts, and wagons traversed these roads, carrying goods and people, connecting distant corners of the empire. The wheel transcended geographical boundaries and cultural differences. It became a common thread in the tapestry of human civilization. Its adoption by diverse cultures is a testament to its universal appeal and transformative power. Section 5. Beyond rolling, the wheel's diverse applications. While the wheel's impact on transportation is undeniable, its applications extended far beyond moving people and goods. The wheel's invention marked a pivotal moment in human history, revolutionizing the way we interact with our environment. From harnessing natural forces to powering machinery, the wheel proved to be a versatile tool, driving innovation in unexpected ways. It became a cornerstone in the development of various technologies that shaped our world. One of the earliest examples is the potter's wheel, which allowed artisans to create uniform and intricate pottery with greater efficiency, highlighting the wheel's role in shaping civilization far beyond transportation. Water wheels, another ingenious invention, utilized the power of flowing water to grind grain in power mills, transforming agricultural practices. This innovation revolutionized food production and laid the foundation for water-powered machinery, which would later evolve into more complex industrial machines. The ability to harness natural energy sources like water was a game-changer, enabling societies to produce food more efficiently and support larger populations. The wheel's principle of circular motion found its way into countless other inventions, becoming a fundamental concept in mechanical engineering. Clocks, for example, relied on gears and cogs, essentially modified wheels, to measure time accurately, revolutionizing the way we perceive and manage time. The spinning wheel, a later invention, revolutionized textile production by significantly speeding up the process of spinning fibers into thread, paving the way for the Industrial Revolution. These diverse applications showcase the wheel's versatility and enduring relevance, proving that its utility extended far beyond its original purpose. The wheel's influence extended beyond individual inventions, becoming a symbol of human ingenuity and adaptability. It shaped the way humans thought about problems and approached solutions, encouraging innovative thinking and problem-solving. The concept of circular motion, once unlocked by the wheel, permeated various fields, from engineering to astronomy, influencing countless discoveries and advancements. This principle became a foundational element in the study of celestial bodies and the development of complex machinery. Leaving an indelible mark on human ingenuity, the wheel continues to inspire and drive technological progress to this day.